This morning we are heading to the Château at Usse, which is one of my favourite chateaux to visit when I'm here in the Loire Valley. It is allegedly the chateau that inspired the original story of Sleeping Beauty. Usse is one of my favourite chateaux to visit when I'm here. I remember looking at it from the road as a kid, and back then it wasn't open to visitors. So the amount of work they've done restoring it and getting it ready to open, I'm not sure exactly when it opened, but I've visited it so many times now, but I will never ever get tired of coming here to see this beautiful chateau. And we're home. The end of our holiday, the heat wave hit Europe, and all our plans just went out the window for the last couple of days because it was just too hot to go anywhere or do anything. So we left Usse Sunday lunchtime, and by Sunday afternoon the temperatures were rising. Monday we literally did nothing. We just stayed inside at my mum's house with the curtains shut, just trying to stay cool. Tuesday we ventured out for lunch, and it was just unbearable. The restaurant was so hot. We came back and just stayed inside. It was too hot to even sit out on the patio and watch the beautiful sunsets. We didn't get to see the last couple of sunsets at my mum's house because it was so hot. So then on Wednesday we said our goodbyes, which gets harder and harder every time I leave. It just, yeah, it's really hard to say goodbye. And we drove to Paris in 42-degree heat, which was, the car was air conditioned, so the journey itself wasn't too bad. Stopped to use the toilets at a service station, which wasn't air conditioned. I swear it was hotter in there than it was outside. We hit Paris at rush hour, and it was just took all of our concentration, me navigating and Graham driving, to make it to the airport. Then we stayed at the airport overnight in a hotel, which it was air conditioned, but the air conditioning was just struggling to keep up. It was 42 degrees in Paris, so the air conditioning was just struggling to keep up with the heat. Lily and I ended up just sleeping under wet towels, just trying to cool down. We were so hot and so overheated by that point. Then we got to the airport really early Sunday morning. It was hot already. It was busy. The airport was hot. We felt awful just because we hadn't had a chance to cool down at all. Despite loads of cool showers, despite the towels, we were just boiling. It was horrible. Poor Lil was feeling really sick. I think we hadn't slept properly in days because of the heat. She was feeling really sick. I think she was a bit anxious as well. The journey home was pretty uneventful, thankfully. Lil managed to sleep quite a lot on the plane. I didn't. I never sleep on planes. And eventually we made it back home on Friday evening. We got to Sydney. Graham's brother picked us up. We spent the night there and actually had some good sleep. I normally hate winter, but it was actually a relief to come back to the cool after being in that heat wave in Europe. So I hope it's cooled down over there for everyone now, because it was just horrible, really horrible. I like it hot, but not that hot. It was just, yeah, it was too much, absolutely too much. So now back home and settling back into life and work and routines again. This week I'm going to be doing, I've got a lot of emails and admin and paperwork and financial paperwork to do. So this week's going to be mainly spent doing that and unpacking and cleaning the house and just getting back on track with everything. So I'm going to start my regular vlogs up again from next Monday when I start sewing properly again. So I'm also going to start working on the designs for the dresses that I'm going to be making from some of the chateaux that I visited on these trips. Yeah, so I'm going to start thinking about that, but then I'll probably start working on that properly next week. And I'll show you sort of my design thinking and where I'm going to take my inspiration from each one. So I'm definitely going to do Usse, Villandry, and Le Moitié Denier. Oh, and Braise. So there's four dresses that I'm planning. So I don't know how long it'll take me because I'm going to have to do them in between orders and other work. So I'll see what I come up with. But yeah, next week I'm going to really start thinking about them, start ordering some fabrics and start doing some plans. So normal vlogs and normal videos will be back soon. I've still got the end of all the Miss Burlesque Australia stuff to edit and get up. I did some upcycling for a band called Glitterous earlier this year. They've now released their video with all the outfits that I made for them, so I can upload that video as well. So I've got quite a lot of editing to do too. I've got quite a lot to share with you. And yeah, I'll be back soon with more sewing videos, more actual sewing vlogs and life vlogs. And I hope you've enjoyed watching these France vlogs. I hope you've enjoyed coming with me on my little holiday to visit my family and go to some of my favourite places over there. I miss it already. I just adore France. I absolutely adore it. And hopefully I'll save my pennies and hopefully I get to visit again soon. So catch you soon. Thanks for watching.